Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome to Chris's Workshop. Today we're going to talk about how to use a string to establish a straight line. The string is an ancient and well-tested method of developing a straight line. You can affix your points in the ground, for example, and pound stakes in there nice and tight so you can pull the string nice and tight in between them. In this case, we're going to lay out a cut to establish a garden bed. I've nailed one post into the ground. You want to tie one end of the string to that post. You can pull measurements off a fixed point to make it even, or you can pull the string down to the other end and just eyeball that straight line to where you want it. Put the stake in place, tie off the string, and you have a really solid guide for digging off the grass in your garden bed. I'm Chris Palmer. Thanks for watching. That's how you use a string to make a straight line.